This is the vegetable garden. There's two entrances. The other entrance is blocked by plastic wheelbarrow containers because the deer are starting to get in here, and in one night a herd will decimate the whole garden, but they won't go through those barrels and they won't go in through this entrance. There's a persimmon tree, but those will not be ripe while you're here. There's mint and oregano growing together. This mint is actually spearmint. You can see the difference here between that and the oregano. Pick that liberally. There's a few rosemary plants. You have to be sparing with that. There's a lot of thyme, quite a bit of parsley, quite a bit of basil, although it's not ready to be picked for probably another week, probably not until the second week of July, although the larger plants you can pick some. Lettuces, you have to pick the large leaves. You never pick the whole plant. You only pick large leaves, lower leaves. Leave the center alone. That's where the growth is. You have tomatoes, and the tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, they'll ripen a little later in July, by second week hopefully. There's more rosemary. You can take a little of that. And here's some Swiss chard. You have to wait till that's larger. You can't take baby chard, otherwise nothing will grow afterwards. As far as the kale goes, there's copious amounts of kale, but you take large leaves from down below, and the small leaves above you leave because those are the growth leaves. So you never touch the small leaves, you only grab the large leaves. And then finally there's rhubarb, lots of rhubarb. Don't eat the leaves or you'll get very sick, just eat the stems, and there's certainly a lot of rhubarb.